it tight?
Yeah.
All right. Looking good.
Yeah, I don't want to go a little, too much over because I know it will.
Yeah, it's
Right now
supposed to be
tight enough
13 foot-pounds is the specification.
Yeah, but you see when the plate bends,
Yeah.
that means it's tight.
Yeah, it's tight.
Beautiful.
All right.
Next.
This area across here is going to have 8 panels. The area I'm standing on is going to have 5 panels facing east. So we got a lot of equipment here, but as you can see, we got the Quickmount PVs and ready to put on the rails here, all along with the roof as it goes together.